young nigga talking, I'm on it. I ain't do the shit, we can do what you want. He acting too tough, I'ma make him get home. Put just his ass, they talk to a rubber. This y'all look kind to kickin' some thunder. That sound by Ape, I belong in the jungle. He acting too killer, get out with the thunder. Hey, I'll take it personal, you speak on the man. You speak on the man, and I'm dropping the bang. That nigga froze up with they fan in. He was talking too killer, got turned to a brain. That nigga got killed with a switch in there. He was smoking my dick and got turned to a strain. These niggas pranked out, need to stop all the plan. Hey, I with the shit, don't score for bullets. Get a chick and I blew it, this shit really nuts. If these niggas get killed for all they mud, he count like he ballin', he know he struggling. You ain't got no money, you ain't having nothing. How you say you a baller, you shop on the budget? Hit the other than I dip. I was like, fuck. That her made me laugh, she said, do you love me? That nigga ain't big, that nigga a pussy. If you speak on the member, get hit, I'm up. We gon' pull up on him, that's the end of discussion. Get there in the hero, I show him in nuts. They go run, try to die for all this talking. All this talking, get put in the car. This chop, knock nigga down like a boss. This chop be hard, just like a speaker. Bro say you want smoke, I said let me eat him. Mind on the block, beat the boy like a needle. Boy, that guy everybody with the boss. We bustin' the head, we leaving shit up. Get the hole in your head and chop, knock out these folks. I'm still on the block, everybody be post. These niggas just talking, ain't on it for real. Since out in the apartments and kid me a kid. If we talk too loud, we gon' spin where you live. Say thinking shit funny, chop, knock out the grill. Fuck how you feelin', it what it is. It gotta be me or you, and I bet I'ma live. You gon' die for some dog, just like every don't play on the block, cause this shit get for real. Bought that, fuck how you fix this sauce in the body, I bet you wanna live. V-Line be my sauce and spraying the team. I'm ballin' too hard, think I work at the gym. Got bad bed from Vietnam Cam. Speak on my man, got be missing the lamb. He died for he got killed as a team. He was missing, he dead, so we sent through with them. I'm smoking the gas, this shit here is Zaza. Niggas be talking that with all the rah-rah. I been a young nigga who made the block. I pull up a pint, I don't sip on the baba. Go get you a bowl, I'm selling it pearl. You think about taking, get put on the strip. I wanna be in the bill, can't sell it for love. I was a young nigga with a gun and drill. She asked who I am, I told her I'm him. When you wanna know me, come talk to me. Don't be speaking on me when you speaking to them. The price I'm speaking on, G, get a young nigga killed. We gon' send nigga up like he came in the bloom. I'ma blast off like a rocket shoe. I buy in the third letter, see you would think I was new. Look in the room, she got lick on tilt. Said she love me, that bitch she a trip.
Drink, yours we throwin' the bag. Hard shit eat it, I know she'll go. Young nigga gon' die tryna prank by the hoe. She eat it, that little hoe go. Motion and band, that's all I know. Trap finesse and juggin'. Berg on the hoe and go jug out the boat. Freaky little bitch got me headed the most. Beat up the street, nigga, why by the scat? Hood rich nigga, I do what I want. Still in the trap, posted over their threats. I got what you need, Joe, hit on my phone. Me and my Vato move out lower to keep it 100. We ain't telling on nothing.
Nigga be counting, I ain't spending all night. I'm big dog looking for 100. Switch to switch over bone.